The internet isn't just somewhere to scroll, it's somewhere to explore. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this is the Digital Survival Guide, helping you to stay safe, smart, and totally Scoutadelic in the digital wilderness. Over the last few months, we've packed our digital first aid kit, we've learnt not to get lost online, we've built our digital shelter, we've watched our footprints, we've stayed alert around strangers, and we've even learnt not to feed trolls. So today, let's remember why we're here in the first place, because adventure awaits. So the internet isn't full of problems, it's full of people. People who share your interests, people who inspire you, people who might become long-time friends. It could be scout groups, could be photography, can be creating Lego, camping, history, even running. Whatever you're interested in, there's probably a community waiting to welcome you. I've met scouts from all over the world because of the internet. People I probably never would have spoken to otherwise. And a lot of them I've never met in person. Look, I know it's so easy to spend hours watching videos, scrolling. Believe me. But the internet becomes much more exciting when you start creating. Could be photography, could be art, it could be coding, writing, music, even podcasts. Scoutadelic started with one camera, one idea, and someone pressing upload. You never know what one idea could become. As brilliant as technology is, it isn't everything. The best adventures still happen out there. That's like camping, meeting up with friends, singing around the campfire, walking, trying new things, conversations, and even silence. You don't need a mobile phone with you every single time. The internet should help you experience life, not replace it. So, the internet is like a massive forest. Sometimes there's hazards, sometimes there are wrong turns. Sometimes you need a first aid kit, or a shelter, or a compass. But forests aren't meant to scare us. They're meant to be explored. And now, you're ready. Because even in the digital world, the greatest connections still happen person to person. Be safe online. And above all, be a little Scoutadelic.